Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today's question: how do I start an affiliate marketing business? Stay tuned and keep watching because the important steps and insights that I'm about to give you will help you to start your first affiliate marketing business even as a startup more easily. And just very quickly, please make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and give the video a like because that really does motivate me to make more content for you. Thank you very much. Let's get started. I will start by explaining to you how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is a sales model where a company pays a third party to sell their product or their service. If you've ever listened to a podcast or seen a social media influencer promote a product, they could be affiliate marketers. In exchange for recommending products or services to their audience as part of an affiliate program, they might get a commission of any sales that result in their referral. After you choose an affiliate marketing program, you'll receive a unique link or code that will allow the company to track every customer that you send their way. When a customer purchases the product through your link, you earn a commission. You can find an affiliate program directly through a company or via an affiliate network like ShareASale. Regardless, here's how the standard affiliate program works. Step 1. You promote store A on your website, blog or social network. Step 2. Someone clicks your unique link. Step 3. They make a purchase in store A. Step 4. The company or affiliate network records the transaction. Step 5. The purchase is confirmed by store A. Step 6. You receive a commission. I will now give you some steps to help you start your own affiliate marketing business. Here we go. Step number 1. Decide on a niche. A niche is the segment of a larger market defined by its own unique characteristics. It becomes your specialty and the topic people will know you for. Travel blogging would be an affiliate marketing niche, as would pet care or tiny homes. The top affiliate marketing niches found by data analytics platform Coupler are technologies, wealth building, health and fitness, fashion and beauty, and lifestyle. These aren't your only options, of course. There are hundreds of options available. So how do you go about finding a profitable niche that interests you? I suggest you consider some of the following things. Do you want to learn more about the niche? You'll want to become a subject matter expert on your topic over time by constantly learning and staying on top of trends. Can you solve problems? Affiliate marketers often have special training or experience in a specific niche. This gives them new ways to present information and help people solve their problems. Is it profitable? I suggest you run a quick search on Google, research the competition and read market reports to see how popular your niche is. A busy niche means there are people ready to buy. The goal is to choose a niche that you enjoy. You won't be making six figures overnight. Running an affiliate business takes some time and some commitment. If you already enjoy doing it, you'll be more likely to continue to do it despite how much money might be rolling in. Let's move on to step number 2. Choose your affiliate platform. The next step is considering what platform you'll use for your business. Each affiliate marketer has a different platform and a different approach. Some affiliates focus solely on Instagram or TikTok to earn affiliate commissions. There are two main methods to choose from as a beginner: the niche topic or product review site. These websites review companies' products for a specific audience and compare products with each other. They can also publish buyer guides and product tutorials to help shoppers make buying decisions, such as the New York Times Wirecutter website. The next method is digital content. Content creators include bloggers, social media influencers, and YouTubers. They continuously publish content that resonates with their audience to gain influence and encourage clicks. Authenticity and audience engagement are two critical elements for affiliate marketing. If you can't connect with your audience, they likely won't buy the products that you recommend. If you're not sure which platform to choose, I suggest to start on a platform that you're comfortable with. If you enjoy creating social media videos, make Instagram your platform. If you're a good writer, maybe blogging is the best route for you. Creating on platforms you already understand will help you create content that connects with your audience and drives affiliate sales. Let's move on to step number 3. Find a relevant affiliate marketing program. It's important to make sure you find the affiliate program that is right for you. Make sure not to just focus on high-paying affiliate programs, but to find the affiliate offers and products that will appeal to your target audience. A few things to look for when choosing an affiliate program include: does the affiliate program have a great market reputation? You don't want to work with partners that people don't trust. Fortunately, affiliate networks vet programs and present reliable, profitable merchants that you can work with. Does the affiliate program have a good commission rate? You want to earn good money for your time and your effort. Many programs pay upward of 10 to 20% commission for a sale. I suggest to choose a rate that works for you. Does it have a high earnings per click (EPC) rate? EPC is an industry-wide metric that shows the average affiliate earnings per 100 clicks across a merchant's affiliate program. Networks like Share a Sale show you this information for each merchant. Now, finding the right programs is critical to running a successful affiliate business. Let me give you an example. True Crime Obsessed is a comedic podcast where best friends and hosts Patrick and Gillian talk with a comedic spin about true crime documentaries. Using this particular take on a popular niche, they've garnered over 200 million downloads and have created Obsessed Network with 7 other offshoot programs. The podcast promotes a variety of products and services in episodes and a dedicated affiliate marketing promotion code page related to its niche. When a listener clicks an affiliate link and buys a product, they receive a commission. Now, to help you find good affiliate opportunities, I suggest that you ask your favourite brands if they have an ambassador or an affiliate program. That way you can promote products that you already appreciate and enjoy. You can also find products and services and brands to work with in the following affiliate marketplaces: CJ or Commission Junction, ClickBank, Flex Offers, Share a Sale, AWin, Amazon Associates, JVZoo and Max Bounty. Let's move on to step number 4, create valuable content. Statista reports that in 2022, people spent an average of 6 hours and 35 minutes per day online globally. People are consuming content, but it's not enough to create content and include an affiliate link on it. If you want to stand out, you have to make yours valuable to your target audience. Blogs are a good way to do that. FindStack reports that 65% of all affiliate marketers generate traffic through blogging alone. I would suggest that new affiliate marketers should focus on publishing high quality content and build a highly engaged audience. This will pay off in dividends later. According to one report, people all over the globe spent an average of 151 minutes on social media per day. So if you're asking if you have a website in order to be an affiliate marketer, the answer is no, you don't need a website. Promoting an affiliate link on social media is an easy way and a free way to get your content into the hands of the people who might be interested in it. Even platforms like Pinterest have affiliate opportunities using the pins on your various boards. If you have a blog or YouTube channel, I recommend that you research and understand search engine optimization, SEO. Bright Edge reported that SEO drives about 83% of search engine traffic compared to 17% from paid search. Doing some keyword research and implementing SEO well is crucial to reaching your target audience. Email marketing is another way to keep those customers who've already visited your site interested. The affiliate marketing space is crowded, so to generate revenue, you need to create great content that entices readers to purchase from your affiliate business. Let me tell you some of the top types of affiliate marketing content that you can include in your content marketing strategy. Here we go. Number 1 is reviews. Reviews are written articles or other content formats such as videos that showcase your opinion about a product or a service. Product reviews should tell a story that connects with readers while sharing helpful information about the experience, features, and a final recommendation. People value reviews. In 2021, nearly 70% of buyers read between 1 and 6 customer reviews before a purchase. Reviews can also include multiple products, as seen in product roundup posts on sites like Wirecutter. Here is a quick tip for reviews. Be honest. Readers value seeing pros and cons before they purchase a product. It's better to be upfront about the flaws instead of disappointing readers when they buy. Number 2 is how-to articles. Many products require hands-on experience after purchasing. Through your content, you can showcase your affiliate product while educating your readers on how it's used or how to complete a task using the product. Your how-to articles can focus on a specific product or be generalized with product recommendations at the end. You can publish a how-to article on any text-based platform, or you can create a slideshow or carousel on an image-based platforms. Here's another top tip for how-to articles. When writing how-to articles for affiliate marketing, use a conversational tone. Remember that you may not be writing to an audience of experts who already have a good understanding of the subject. I suggest to use short paragraphs and bullet points wherever possible so that readers can skim the content for quick reading. Number 3 is resource pages. Just like review posts, resource pages can be a valuable way to earn money from the purchases of trusting readers. Resource pages allow you to link to products and services that have helped you or your business perform more efficiently, and can also help your target audience do the same. Here's a top tip for your resource page. Make your resource page front and center of your homepage or the About page. This ensures that readers see it often and it increases your click-through and conversion rates. Number 4 is landing pages. Landing pages are not typically the first thing that come to mind when you think about affiliate marketing. However, landing pages are a valuable part of the marketing funnel that transitions readers into leads. Website landing pages can link to just about anything, which gives you the freedom to use any visuals or calls to action that you prefer. Keep in mind that some terms convert better than others in different industries, but generally most can be optimized through research and through testing. Number 5 is email lists. Emails are a valuable part of marketing campaigns and can target your leads. Email campaign workflows can respond to reader activity on your website or virtual space and send a call to action email based on their position in your marketing campaign or promotional funnel. Email campaigns are great for generating repeated sales by bringing customers back for more. You can send newsletters to your email list daily, weekly or monthly, or at whichever time interval you discover works best for you. Now, some ways to add affiliate content to your email marketing is to recommend your latest favorites, writing mini reviews. You can share links to a resource page or affiliate landing page, and you can include links to product roundups and reviews on your site. A top affiliate marketing tip is to share limited discounts on any affiliate products that you have available. Here is step number 5, build an audience. To build an audience, first you have to reach them. Creating email lists helps you to directly reach your audience. You can send newsletters, updates on new content, and exciting offers directly to anyone who signs up to be part of your email list. If you're operating mostly on social media like Instagram and Facebook, I suggest to follow and tag influencers who may be interested in your niche. The name of the game is to do what you can do to increase the traffic to your website or your social media channels. Reeling them in is just the first part. Now it's important to build trust between you and your audience to keep them coming back. Don't just try and sell anything to your audience in order to gain some money. The more they feel your genuine interest, the more likely they are to trust you. Here is step number 6. Follow FTC regulations. The FTC protects consumers from deceptive marketing practices. Unfortunately, there are affiliate marketers out there who are more than willing to promote scams and misleading products and services in order to make money. To prevent this, the FTC requires that any affiliate marketer must disclose their financial relationship with any brands or products that they are promoting. In short, I suggest that you need to tell your audience that you're getting compensated for promoting the products that you're promoting, and you must always tell them when a link is an affiliate link in order to stay compliant with the FTC. If you're not in the US, you may be subject to different laws and regulations in concerning promoted content. I suggest to ensure that you've checked with the relevant governing body in your region. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which step from this video you are going to implement first. I'd be interested to hear from you. Are you looking for a way to create a second income online? Well, I've got something special for you. Click the link below to join our exclusive webinar on creating a second income online. This isn't just a video, it's your ticket to a game-changing opportunity. Don't miss out. Make sure you check out that link and go through to my website, and I will see you at the webinar. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and please like the video. just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thank you for watching.